Itong mga alaga ko, alam, ang daming bibilin. Mga naka-postcard pa. How much detergent?
Detergent?
Yeah, this one.
What do you want? Oh, that's why we have two candies.
Go 34?
Expensive.
No, that's not expensive lang.
34.
Yeah.
It's not expensive. 34. Ah, big squishmallow. Oh. Oh yeah, look at this giant squishmallow. Oh my god, look.